wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad, my bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy.
Hi loves, and welcome to another Sunday vlog. Today is going to be my day without social media. I have a lot of work to catch up on, and I feel in the last couple of weeks I felt myself just scrolling through social media just so aimlessly when I know I have stuff to do but I'm not doing it. So I'm actively putting my phone away and not doing it.
That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two.
Hi guys, so I am in the process of finishing the last thing on my to-do list, which this whole day without social media was actually very refreshing so far. I got a package a couple days ago and I wanted to share it with you guys. I am actually waiting for another package, and I did already actually open this one. This one is from Indigo, if you guys can see. I got, what is this thing called? This is by their house brand, which is called We. This is the market bags in the set of 3. These are on sale right now, and the time I'm filming this, I want to say like $21. They come in a set of 3, but they also come in 3 different color combinations. One of them I believe is a more blue tone one, and then there's one that is a more warmer colored one with red, orange, and yellow, and then we have the neutral one, which is the one I obviously got. They are basically just these tote bags that are made out of muslin, but this one is in a pretty sage green color, which I have been all about. This sage green color comes with a green one, a creamy kind of white color, and then a taupey kind of mauve color. I really want to paint my nails because they look janky, but I want to paint them because I'm obsessed with painting my nails, and I feel like that's the great way to end this. So I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to paint my nails after I finish doing all of my things and crossing the last thing on my to-do list. So I will see you then. Hi loves, so it is a while later. It is around 7:35. I said I would be back when I would start painting my nails, and I am back with literally all of my nail supplies, and I'm gonna do a time lapse of me doing my nails while I watch some YouTube videos or like some Netflix or something, and I will see you guys when it is all done. Hi loves, so it is currently almost 10:30, I believe. I told you that I would be speaking to you again when I finished doing my nails, and that is exactly what I did. I'm gonna show you this hand because it's like the best. As you can see, I'm literally in my bed and I'm about to go to sleep. I actually started waking up at 7 o'clock so that I could have an hour to read and meditate and journal before I start my day. I wanted to recap what I did today because today was my first day that I tried to do no social media for like the whole day, which I didn't do the whole day. I just did it until I crossed everything off of my to-do list, which I did. So I wanted to recap everything that I did today because I woke up at around 7:44 in the morning and I didn't go on my phone. Immediately got to work on doing, well actually I ate breakfast and then I did a whole bunch of work, caught up on a lecture that I needed to do, and I crossed off everything on my to-do list. I did that haul for you guys, but I did all of my work before going on my phone, which is crazy. I didn't have to post anything, which typically I schedule my posts anyways, but I stayed off social media for as long as I could and as long as I really intended to. I think that I'm going to try to implement that all the time. It was very refreshing. Now that we're all working from home, we are so attached to our screens, and especially me, I just like find myself, especially in the last few weeks, kind of just aimlessly scrolling through like social media. Going forward, we are going to try to limit our social media time until the end of the day, which I didn't even miss much anyways. It's interesting how you just like cut cold turkey and it's like you don't really miss it. So that was kind of interesting. But I am actually here to end the vlog. Shocker, because I always forget to end the vlog and then I either end it the next day or I just don't. But I wanted to end this vlog and say that this week is going to be a good week. I'm just putting it out there that this week is going to be a good week. I've been having a lot of bad days and bad weeks, and I know that a lot of people have, and I've said that in a different vlog. So if you are in the same boat, know that you're not alone. Reality sucks right now and I get it, but we are pushing through and there are brighter days ahead. At least I hope. Subscribe if you are a new viewer or an old viewer. Hit the post notifications bell. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok if you want to see more daily vlog type content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Look up at the sky, ask it why.